star of the show, मेरा ThinkPad भाई. This is L340 and if you see there is something wrong with it. The whole body is missing. So there is a story behind it, but the nutshell is the keyboard failed and it was way expensive. So instead of replacing, I just threw everything out and made a whole body. And it has been 6 months that I made this, and it works flawlessly. And as you can see, it is using Linux Mint. Now why it's on start screen? Because I don't use it directly. I use it through SSH, and I use it through my home network. As you can see, it's connected to my home network. The primary job of this the primary job of this laptop is to control this printer. Tada! Ender 3v3 SE. So what and why I did it? See, this Ender 3v3 SE doesn't come with any support for LAN or Wi-Fi. So for every time you have to load a new print file, you have to load a SD card, and that too camera's SD card, not a normal SD card. And actually there is supposed to be a screen here that you can control manually. That's way pesky and way painful because I keep breaking fragile thing, and SD card is way fragile. So what I did some research and I found something called Clipper that can run on it. But the problem was, generally people use Raspberry Pi, and I didn't have the budget. So solution, I had a laptop lying around, so I made it into my sweet pie with steroids. Yeah, this is a L340 laptop, the last laptop with socketed CPU and the last ThinkPad with M series CPU. So it's jacked like anything, and with 8 GB RAM, it can handle this print like anything. It's not even a load for it. But how did I connect? That's a whole story, because this laptop had a DOA LAN, dead on arrival. So it was not working. So for that, I researched it, and then I found this hub, this cheap hub that has LAN incapability. But this is from Portronics, and this hub is as much as e-waste as it can be. It doesn't work reliably. So then I went to Amazon Baba and bought their Amazon Basic Hub. So this has worked like charm. And for connecting, now the wired home network thing is sorted. The next goal was, how do I connect this to laptop? First I thought USB A to A, then I thought okay, this hub has lot of ports, and this Type-C to Type-C cable was cheap. So what I did, I bought a Type-C to Type-C cable, just connected it through USB, flashed the clipper, and now it works like charm. I can control the printer either through this laptop or through this laptop, or even my mobile, because this janky setup is ultimately connected to my home LAN server. So as long as I can access my home network, I can access this printer. Now there are certain things that I really want to improve. First is developing or getting into a VPN, so that I can access from it anywhere. Having a camera also will help, so that I can monitor the print if I'm not here. And yeah, so this is my janky setup. Let me know how it is, and also do let me know if you want to see how do you do the clipper using any old laptop. Even a Chromebook will work. And if you want to know anything specific, just do let me know. And this is something that I just came up with random, and it works like charm. So yeah. And the other thing is, if someone wants to have 3D printing service available specifically in Hyderabad, do let me know, bhai. I am always open for this. Yeah, this is my setup, and this is Abu signing off.